In 43, we're told that Peter walked a distance of 2 miles, so that's probably important, to deliver a storage box. He stopped every 1/3 mile. Every 1/3 mile. How many times did Peter stop? So what we really want to know is how many 1/3 are inside 2. Well, that's division. 2 divided by 1/3. But we convert that to multiplication. 2 times 3 equals 6. So therefore we can say that Peter stopped 6 times. In 44, Sam drank 3/5 of a quart of milk and Harry drank 5/8. How much more did Harry drink than Sam? So 5/8 is bigger than 3/5, but let's find out by how much. So we're going to subtract 5/8 minus 3/5. That means we need to get a common denominator between 8 and 5, which is 40. I need to write each of my original fractions as an equivalent fraction with denominator 40. So 8 goes into 40 5 times. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 goes into 40 8 times. 8 times 3 is 24. If I subtract the numerators now. 25 minus 24 is 1 divided by 40. Therefore, we can say that Harry drank 1/40 of a quart more than Sam. Okay, in 45, Linda made a triple batch of sugar cookies. She used 5 1/8 cups of flour. Before she made her cookies, she had 8 2/3 cups of flour. How much flour does Linda have left? Well, we're going to need to take the 8 2/3, which is the flour she started with, and subtract the 5 1/8, which is the flour that she used. So let's start by turning each mixed number into an improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24 plus 2 is 26 over the denominator of 3 minus 5 1/8. I have 5 times 8 is 40 plus 1, that's 41 over 8. I need a common denominator between 3 and 8. My LCD is going to be 24. So I need to change each fraction to an equivalent fraction with a denominator of 24. 3 goes into 24 8 times. 8 times 26 is 208. 8 goes into 24 3 times. 3 times 41 is 123. If I subtract the numerators now and place the result over the common denominator, I get 85 over 24. If I want to make that into a mixed number, 24 goes into 85 3 times with 13 left over and the denominator of 24. Therefore, we can say that Linda has 3 13/24 cups of flour left.